Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 8 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and selecting Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Following that, before creating a new one, tap on those three dots at the top right corner and select Settings from the pop-up. Now you can adjust all of those options under Alarms however you want to, like snooze. When you're done, go back and to create new alarm, tap on this button with a plus. Now set up an hour. You can always change it later on. To save it, hit OK at the bottom right corner of Select Time pop-up. And as you can see, after that, my new alarm was successfully created. If you wish to change it hour right away, click on it and then correct it. Now adjust all of those options however you want to. I will start with label at the top. Click on Add Label. Type in wherever you want to if you want to and select OK. Then pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. If you want to exclude some dates, tap on this plus next to Pause Alarm. Pick a date that you wish to exclude and save it by hitting OK. You can always remove this customization by clicking on Remove button next to chosen date. Finally, you can tap on Bell, select Dismiss or download one of those sound sources or both of them, and decide which option to choose to change your alarm sound. If you want to log in to YouTube Music or Spotify and use music from it, just click on one of those sources and hit Login. If you want to, you can always select sounds instead. Click on Record Now, and then after hitting Get Started, you can create any recording and tap on Save at the bottom right corner to add it to Alarm Clock Ringtone list. You can also choose Add New under your sounds and pick any song from your device instead. If you don't want to do any of that, just scroll down and pick one of those sounds, like Early Twilight. Finally, you can tap on this icon next to Vibrate to switch off or on Haptic Feedback for your alarm. And last but not least, click on this little button to add or remove your alarm from Google Assistant routine. To hide all of those settings, click on the top right corner. Then, to turn on or off your alarm, manage it thanks to this switcher next to it. In order to delete it completely, click on the top right corner again and select Delete at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!